Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! For part A, ball throw must return one of the 5 values 10, 20, 30, 40, or 50, each with equal probability. One correct approach is to generate a random integer from 0 to 4 using int Math.random times 5, then add 1 and multiply by 10. This produces each of the 5 scores with probability 1/5. For part B, average throw should call ball throw exactly num throws times. For each throw, if the score is strictly greater than min score, add it to a running sum and increase a counter that tracks how many scores qualify. After all throws are processed, if no scores were greater than min score, the method must return 0.0. Otherwise, it should return the average sum divide count as a double using. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.